like I said in the previous video, this is literally the corner of my room. This is my bed. It's not made. There's a whole bunch of stuff on it and a dog. I'm not going to show you. This is literally the corner of my room. This is a window. You can see outside of it. And this is just what I have. So I'm going to start over here. I'm not going to go through anything. I'm just going to do an overview shot. If there's anything else you want to see in-depth things of, I will show you just fine. So the bottom shelf here, I have some candles, and these are just like hair accessories, like headbands and rollers. And then this is like all my stuff for skincare, masks and treatments and such. I have a waxing kit right there. Then up here I have some eyebrow razors. This is an empty bottle that I put rubbing alcohol in, some aloe vera, acetone, rubbing alcohol, and then some hair care items. And then up here is all of my rags that I always talk about, my washcloths that I bought on Amazon. I will link those down below. Just look down below. And then up at the very top, I don't really have anything. I have a deodorant twist tie for some reason. I know that was up here. A broken hair clip. And then this little sign that my husband found for me that I really love. And this is my back shelf. This shelf my brother-in-law made, and they were done using it at their house, so they gave it to me. And then I have this thing that I actually got for taking a tour of a furniture store. So you don't know where you can buy that. These things I made. Sorry, it's funny because like half of this stuff I can't even link to show you. These are all Estee Lauder lipsticks that are like really fun and cute. Packaging, they're like part of my things I will never get rid of. This little mirror I got at Ross. And then this was one of my grandmother's. This is a vintage lipstick. This is something I made. I found this at the dollar store. Made this, made this, made this, and I made that. So DIY is right here, people. So then this is the back shelf. This will change with the seasons. Right now it's just fall, and I'm really excited to decorate it for Halloween. Then over here I have my jewelry. Not everything. Not all my jewelry. I have a jewelry box here, right here. This probably will not stay here. I think I might move it over onto the dresser that's over there, but it's just here for now. This is a tiny little jewelry box that was my grandmother's. And then I have all of these drawers that have like various makeup items. This is my IKEA Alex drawer set that has all my makeup in it. I have these hair bows that I actually found and was excited. These are all my hair bows. I'm really excited to have those. I can put them in my hair to get my hair out of my face. That'll be fun to have. Then I have some more hair care items over here. This is just a quick, simple video because everything else I can kind of go into over in depth with you guys if you want. This is my like hot tools and brushes. I have some headbands on the top if you can see. In this drawer right here I have lashes. And then I have some of these clear drawers that I got off of Look, and some stacker things, all of my brushes. This is my table that I got from Walmart. And then I have a mirror that I pull close to me. And I have the light up mirror, and then I have a bigger mirror, and then there's my tripod right there, and then these are the lights that I use. I am not super fancy. This is what works for me. And I think that this is my favorite makeup set so far that I have, and I think it's gonna work out really great. If there's anything that you would like to see in depth, more like reviews of, like you can go through my mask drawers. Oh, I didn't tell you. This is all my makeup brushes I need to wash. It's a bit excessive, and I have given stuff away, so I don't really have a problem, I guess. This is just a drawer. It's my catch-all drawer. It's really not very beautiful to look at. This houses my nail products. Not every single bit of my nail products. I will show you guys that when that's all finished, and I have that organized to my own liking. And then I have some cotton rounds, cotton balls, and some washcloths back there. And this is like one of those brush roll things. So I have my little lamp thing standing on top of a stool because it needs to be higher up. And then my tripod. The tripod that I use is a Sun Pack Ultra 7000. That's the one I use if you want to know. Okay, well now this is me sitting down. I don't have any makeup on. I don't have my contacts in. This is what I look like on a day-to-day basis. I just thought I'd show you me on a regular basis. I'm wearing a hoodie, a jack-o'-lantern hoodie, because it's that jack-o'-lantern season. I'm very happy with the space that I have. I will be so excited. I'm so excited to get back into these things, to have my own space, and I just thought I'd show you and invite you into it. And once everything is a little bit more settled in, shall I say, I will do like a kind of a makeup collection kind of situation, if that's what you want to see. And I'm kind of out of breath because I feel like I have to rush a little bit, so I just thought I would show you guys everything, and I don't really know what else to say. It's really not a very big space, so it's just gonna be a short, quick video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!